Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the world of electronics and signal analysis, UNI-T has established itself as a reputable brand, known for producing high-quality testing and measurement instruments. Among its impressive lineup, UNI-T digital oscilloscopes stand out as essential tools for engineers, technicians, and enthusiasts seeking accurate waveform visualization and precise measurements. These digital oscilloscopes offer a blend of advanced features, user-friendly interfaces, and reliable performance, making them indispensable for various applications, from electronics debugging to education. In this overview, we'll delve into the top 5 best UNI-T digital oscilloscopes, exploring their unique features and benefits that set them apart in the realm of electronic testing and signal analysis. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, these instruments can significantly enhance your ability to visualize and understand complex waveforms. Number 5. UNI-T UT117C UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope. The UT117CS design is compact and ergonomic, making it easy to hold and operate even during extended usage. Its dimensions of 169 x 84 x 48.8 mm ensure portability, making it a convenient tool to carry around your workspace or even on the go. The digital display is clear and easy to read, enhancing the overall user experience. This digital oscilloscope offers an impressive range of measurement options, catering to various electrical scenarios, from DC and AC voltage and current measurements to capacitance and resistance. The UT117C has you covered. The measurement ranges are comprehensive, allowing you to work with a wide range of components and circuits. The UT117CS user interface is intuitive and straightforward, making it accessible even to those with limited experience using digital oscilloscopes. The auto-operating mode enhances usability by automatically adjusting settings to provide accurate measurements without requiring intricate manual adjustments. Number 4. UNI-T UTD2202CEX Plus UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope. With a real-time sampling rate of 1 XA per second and a maximum waveform capture rate of 30,000 WFM per second, this oscilloscope is a powerhouse in terms of performance. Its 200 MHz bandwidth ensures that I can accurately capture and analyze a wide range of signals, from intricate digital circuits to fast analog waveforms. The high display resolution of 800 x 480 pixels on its generously sized 7-inch screen adds a level of detail that's truly appreciated. The UNI-T UTD2202CEX Plus boasts a user interface that strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and advanced functionality. Navigating through its menu is intuitive, and the layout of controls and buttons is well thought out. This makes it easy for both novices and seasoned professionals to harness the power of the device without spending excessive time deciphering complex instructions. One of the standout features of this oscilloscope is its portability. Whether I'm working in my lab or tackling on-site projects, the UTD2202CEX Plus is my go-to tool. The inclusion of USB connectivity and compatibility with PC software allows for convenient data sharing and analysis. Its digital channels are extremely useful, providing the flexibility to monitor multiple signals simultaneously. Number 3. MAXRIENY UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope. The first thing that caught my attention was the compact design of the MAXRIENY UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope. Its small form factor makes it highly portable, making it convenient to carry around for on-the-go measurements. The build quality is robust, giving a sense of durability, which is crucial for any handheld device, especially in environments where accidents are likely to happen. The 2.9-inch display is clear and easy to read, despite its smaller size. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. Even for someone new to using oscilloscopes, the menu system and controls are straightforward to grasp. The buttons are well placed and responsive, contributing to a seamless user experience. Despite its small size, the MAXRIENY UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope boasts an impressive array of measurement capabilities. With a maximum bandwidth of 10 MHz and real-time sampling rate of 48 mSA per second, it's suitable for a wide range of tasks, from basic voltage and current measurements to more complex tasks like frequency and temperature analysis. The ability to measure DC and AC voltage and current, along with temperature ranging from -20 degrees centigrade to 1000 degrees centigrade, adds to its versatility. Number 2. BSIDE ZT702's UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope. One of the standout features of this oscilloscope is its versatility. With its automatic and manual operating modes, You can easily switch between modes based on your testing needs. The unit serves as both a digital multimeter and an oscilloscope, providing a comprehensive toolset for electrical measurements. The ZT702 excels in delivering accurate measurements across various parameters. The true RMS capability ensures accurate readings for AC voltage and current, while the large measuring ranges for DC and AC current and voltage make it suitable for a wide range of applications. The handheld design of the oscilloscope adds to its appeal. The compact dimensions and lightweight build make it easy to carry around, making it suitable for both on-the-go tasks and benchtop use. Number 1. OWON XDS3202E UNI-T Digital Oscilloscope. One of the standout features of the OWON XDS3202E is its impressive waveform capture rate of 80,000 waveforms per second. This rapid capture rate allowed me to observe intricate details of signals in real time, making it an excellent tool for troubleshooting and analyzing fast-changing signals. The 1 XA's real-time sampling rate further enhanced the accuracy of signal representation, ensuring that I could trust the data displayed on the screen. With a bandwidth ranging from 100 MHz to 349 MHz, the XDS3202E proved to be versatile enough to handle a wide range of applications. Whether I was working on audio circuits, digital communication systems, or even RF projects, this oscilloscope delivered clear and detailed waveforms that helped me gain deeper insights into the behavior of my circuits. The oscilloscope's 8-color LCD with a resolution of 800 x 600 pixels provided a sharp and vibrant display. This high-resolution screen made it easy to analyze waveforms, read measurements, and navigate through the user interface. The large display size ensured that I could comfortably observe multiple waveforms simultaneously, improving my efficiency in diagnosing signal interactions. Thanks for watching this video.